Hello everybody, my name is Caitlin, and the objective for today's video is to show you teens how to use the subject function of the Logan Library catalog. So let's get started. To get started, we're going to enter in the title of a book that we have recently read and enjoyed and want similar books to. I entered in Throne of Glass. We'll then click on the book, scroll down to the subject terms. And once we read through the subject terms, we'll decide what we want to read. I'm in the mood for assassins, so I'm going to click Assassins Fiction. This will then enter in Assassins Fiction into the search bar. We can then limit the subject even further by going over to the left-hand side and going down to the subject option, which is third up from the bottom or sixth down from the top. I like to be able to view all optional subject terms, so I will click View All. This is a lot and more than I want to tackle right now, so I would simply say, which ones do I want the most? Assassins, fantasy, and magic. And then I'm going to click Include, because that means that these are the types of books I want included in my search. As another option, while you're doing your subject search, you might want to limit the audience. We have adult, juvenile, teen, or young adult. I'm going to choose teen. And again, I'll click Include. At this point, I've narrowed down my results a lot. I'm down to only 38 results, which means I can feel free to then start scrolling and say, this book sounds interesting. A Wizard's Guide to Defensive Baking. I can then see all I need to know, where to find it, what's it about, other subject terms it has, and whether or not it's currently available. I can also say, I don't like this book. Exit out and continue scrolling through my results until I find something else that looks interesting, such as mist, metal, and ash. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. This is how to use the Logan Library catalog's search function. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something.